starting its first bank reversal. First bank reversal complete. We have seen peak deceleration. We've passed through peak heating and peak deceleration. It is reporting that we are seeing Gs on the order of 11 to 12 Earth Gs.
Flight GDSA.
GDSA flight go.
We are processing data from Odyssey.
Bank reversal 2 is starting. We are now getting telemetry from Odyssey. Bank reversal 2 complete.
Copy, bank reversal 2 complete.
Thanks.
Standby flight. We have a connection, but we actually do not have any data yet.
Copy.
We can expect some intermittent contact at this time as the signal gets increases to respectable levels.
There we go. Now seeing
And we have RCDP.
Okay, copy.
And visualization is updated. We've entered heading alignment. Very good. At this time, Curiosity is no longer trying to control how far it's flying downrange, and it's just heading directly for the target.
End of range control, air use minus 1.2 kilometers.
1.2.
The EL team is reporting that that things look pretty good at the end of range control. We have converged a lot of the error, and we should be heading for the target. Flight EDL, TDS warning is okay.
Copy.
Power none. We are seeing a tone from indicating that we have seen heating of the heat shield through the BEVD instrument. Everything looks fine. This is as expected. During this heading alignment phase, we're flying almost horizontally like a plane. We're going about Mach 2.4 at an altitude of 17 kilometers or so. Vehicle's reporting heartbeat tones again, indicating that everything is fine during heading alignment. We are standing by for straighten up and fly right and parachute deploying. Vehicle's continuing to decelerate. We're down to about Mach 2. As a reminder, we should have parachute deploy around Mach 1.7. We're at 15 kilometers altitude.
We've begun entry balance match jettison. Predicted minimum distance downrange is 1.597 kilometers.
EDL Labs, Odyssey Systems on EDL Labs.
Parachute deploying. Parachute. Thrusters have been re-enabled. We will control our attitude on shoot. We are decelerating.
Risk mode under
We are 10 kilometers
parachute
decelerated
on 20
and
to
descending.
30.
We are at 150 meters per second.
Dynamics phase. Come back again with risk mode dynamics.
Risk mode is nominal.
We are 9 kilometers and descending.
Solid range.
Net filter converge with a velocity correction of 0.7 meters a second.
We have acquired the ground with the radar.
Altitude of 8 kilometers.
Sea chill has separated. We're on the ground.
Fan tones due to earth occultation as expected.
We're standing by to time the MLE engines in preparation for powered flight. We're down to 90 meters per second at an altitude of 6.5 kilometers descending.
Flight EDL, we got some tweeter warnings. It is exactly what most so should talk about.
Director of Communications at this time. We may have lost it already. We're down to 86 meters per second at an altitude of 4 kilometers descending. We've lost tones from Earth at this time. This is expected. We're continuing on Odyssey telemetry.
Ground solution equals minus 10.8 meters, vertical velocity of minus 82.8
We are priming
meters per
target
second.
start enabled, standing by for backshell separation.
signal to Odyssey is still strong.
We are in powered flight. We're at altitude of 1 kilometer descending, about 70 meters per second.
Signal to Odyssey
Down to 50 meters per second, 500 meters in altitude. Standing by for sky crane.
Constant velocity accordion nominal. Altitude error 5.9 meters.
We found a nice flat place. We're coming in ready for sky crane. Down to 10 meters per second, 40 meters altitude. Sky crane has started. Descending at about 0.75 meters per second as expected. Expecting bridle cut shortly.
Signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Tango Delta nominal.
Yeah. You don't configure.
Rhythm stable.
VHF telemetry.
Rhythm stable.
VHF is good. Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars. Time to see where our curiosity will take us. At this time, flyaway should be complete. This set of stages at a safe distance. We are continuing to receive telemetry from Curiosity. We're safe.
From the surface of Mars. As cam sequence is kicked off, waiting for images. Heads up, folks! EDL ops, signal to Odyssey remains strong. Hi, EDL, images are starting to come down.
We're beginning to get images.
We got images
from Odyssey.
coming down, folks.
Stand by for images.
Big thumbnails coming down.
Odyssey data is still strong.
Odyssey data is very strong.
Odyssey's nice and high in the sky. At this time, we're standing by for images.
Thumbnails are complete. We got thumbnails. Film is complete. It's the wheel! It's the wheel! There we go. You can see a wheel image. We are wheels down on Mars. Oh my God. We'll do a proper hug on the other side.
Keep watching, guys. Keep watching the screen. There's more stuff. Any minute now. No, 2:56.
Okay, Ryan. Okay. So here we are. We're going to start. Go ahead.
Okay.
So we have landed out at the time we thought we would, and we now have our first image.
We have our first image. We've got us a 64 by 64 thumbnail, a rear has-cam image. You can see the shadow there. I'm not sure exactly which our orientation is of the vehicle, but we're looking through it. Now, I think in just a few minutes we might get even a larger 250 to 256 frame pixel image of that same end. So we're looking at the shadow. See, the horizon is actually in the distance. You can't really tell that. So we're looking actually at the shadow of this late afternoon sun.
So these are the rear has cams.
These are the rear has cams.
And it does have a dust cover on it.
It does have a dust cover, but it's the dust that covers the problem. It's the fact there's dust in the air because we've just blown dust all over the place with our descent engines.
Fantastic. So there could be more.
There could be more. If we wait, we might get, oh yeah!
Oh.
This is the high res, this is 256 by 256 image. This is the higher resolution. You've seen dust particles on the window. You can see the horizon there in the background. And there is the wheel of the rover safely on the surface of Mars. I can't believe it. This is unbelievable. We might get another one of these, and if we're lucky, before Odyssey goes away, we'll get 2 more of these same images going the other side of the vehicle, and also probably dusty. This is amazing.
2 for 4, baby.
So that is one of Curiosity's rover wheels
exactly.
on the surface of Mars.
Yes. Whoa! Wow! Now we have another image coming down. This is a view looking the other direction. It's still being processed. You'll see it in just a second here. This is another thumbnail image.
Is that a shadow?
That's the shadow
of the rover.
Curiosity rover on the surface of Mars. Thank you.
Thank you.
The Odyssey transition is about to end. It's about to set below the peak of Mount Sharp very shortly. So this is about all the data we're going to get, but things look great.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.